Welcome back, everyone. Today, let us understand what is data and its need and also its types. Starting with what is data? Data simply means information, especially the kind we collect through research. Think of data as raw facts or figures like numbers, observations, or even opinions that help us make better decisions. Or, in other words, data refers to raw facts, figures, or statistics collected for reference, analysis, or research purposes. It can be numbers, words, measurements, observations, or descriptions. So, why do we need data? Let us now understand the need of data. The first one is research inputs. Facts, it acts as input for any research. The second one is better decision making. It helps us make better or smarter decisions. The third is performance measurement, which means it lets us measure how well our research is going. The next and the final one is that it helps us understand why things happen, like the causes and effects of certain situations. Now, let us first understand what is primary data. Primary data is brand new information that we collect specifically for our research. It's first hand data, like when we do interviews or send questionnaires or run experiments, the information which we get in return is primary data. In short, we collect it ourselves for our own research needs. So, primary data is basically something that you put efforts and you do surveys or questionnaires, and the information that you get and you analyze it. So, that information is primary data. Next, secondary data. On the other hand, secondary data is information that already exists. It might have been collected for a different purpose, but we can still use it in our research. For example, a company's past sales records or data from an industry report, all of this is secondary data. So basically, secondary data is something that already exists. That is not something new that you have found out. But it was not found for your research. It is something that was just found, but even you are able to use it. The best example for this can be newspaper or also any company's financial statements. Since data is the foundation of good research, it helps us analyze, measure, and make smart decisions. And it comes in two main types, that is primary and secondary.